Good morning, good afternoon or good evening, wherever you might be watching, folks. One of the things that can happen on YouTube, which is rather unpleasant, is when the naughties who are on YouTube decide that they will copy a video or more than one video of yours and upload them as their own and probably monetize the thing so that they earn dollars from them. There's a fairly simple procedure that I can use in YouTube by adding a watermark to my videos. The only way the watermark can be removed is if the naughties know the password to your channel. Now, the three things that I need is, of course, the channel, your channel, Microsoft Word, and also a little accessory called the idea of the snipping tool, which incidentally is an accessory in Windows, allows you to drag and select an area of the screen which can then be saved as a graphic, because the watermark that we're going to add to our videos actually needs to be a graphic that we upload. So at the moment we don't need the snipping tool, but the first thing that we do need is Microsoft Word, where I'm going to insert a text box. And when I insert a text box, I can choose the simple text box here, delete the existing text, and note that the size of the text box changes with these height and width measurements. Now, this is something we have to be a little bit careful of in YouTube, because the watermark graphic cannot have a width which is more than 5 times the height. So what I'm going to do here is just to drag that into around about there, and now I see that the measurements match the parameter requirements within YouTube. In other words, the width is not greater than 5 times the height. Now what I'll do, I'll click in the text box and I'll type an open bracket, the letter C, and close the bracket, and autocorrect in Word gives me the copyright symbol. I'll then type the name of my channel, United Computers, and I'll just have that a little bit narrower. I'll drag it in again a little bit just to make sure that I'm whoops, not quite that narrow, out to about there. Let's have a look here. Yes, not a problem. The width is not greater than 5 times the height. Now what I can do is to use the snipping tool. So I'll bring the snipping tool back and I'll click New for a new snip. Now changes to a crosshair, and what I'm going to do is to drag through that, but before I do that I might think, looking at it, gosh, it's going to look fairly bland, so I'll hit the escape key to get out of the snipping tool, drag through the text here to select it, and in the home tab I'll just change the text color to red. I'll make it bold so it stands out a bit, and I might even italicize it. So no problem there. Click away. Yep, that looks fine to me. I'll now bring back the snipping tool, make a new snip, move my mouse out, and now drag around just inside the black lines, because we don't want those to appear on the graphic, and I'm going to choose that area there. Now if I click on the save button here, I'm going to save this graphic now as a GIF file, because if I put that onto the Windows desktop, that'll come up shortly, watermark, and I'll click save. You'll notice it's going to save as a GIF file. I could have saved it as a PNG file, PNG and GIF work similarly in that they're both transparent. Don't save it as a JPEG file or you'll see a white background on your videos surrounding the text. So let's click save. No problem, it's now on the desktop. I've finished with the snipping tool. I've finished with Word. No need to save that change. And now on my channel I want to go to the video manager. So drop arrow next to your avatar, video manager. That will show you all of the videos that you have uploaded, and also you'll see on the left hand side here in this category, channel settings. So I click on channel settings, and then I want to go to the link in video programming, and now I want to add a watermark. So let's click add watermark. Browse for the file, and on the Windows desktop I'll see a file called watermark. There it is there, watermark. Open. Save. Save again. And now I'm taken to the actual watermark itself. That's where it's going to appear, in the top right hand corner by default. The display time, I want it to appear on the entire video. It's up to you as to where you want it. And I'll now update. And when it's updated it will mean that the save successfully, no problem. That watermark will appear in that position on all of your existing videos, and also it will appear on any subsequent video that you care to upload. So that's how you do it, guys. It's not difficult. There's a few steps involved, but remember that you can pause this video at any time, replay it of course as often as you want, and we would love to have you as a subscriber, where there will be lots more things uploaded. There's now over 150 videos on the channel, and hopefully you will increase your knowledge by watching them. Okay, a thumbs up would be handy too, folks, and any comments that you would like to make. Many thanks for watching.